First things first, break down the potatoes. Before we can mash potatoes, we need to boil them until they are ethereally tender, but just before they disintegrate into mush. Place your peeled, cubed potatoes in a pot of water over high heat and bring to a boil. Now it's time to dress your spuds. Add your favorite olive oil, Greek yogurt, and whole milk. Use a potato masher and mash the palate-pleasing ingredients into the tender potatoes until smooth. Don't forget to season for the season. You can't bring a bland mashed potatoes to the Thanksgiving or Christmas table. Salt, freshly ground black pepper, and garlic powder to the mash will best enhance your holiday mashed potatoes experience. The minced fresh Italian parsley garnish adds its fresh flair and bright color that make these creamy Greek yogurt mashed potatoes all the more irresistible.